Germany has announced the purchase of an additional 20 Eurofighter jets from Airbus. This recent acquisition is part of a broader initiative to modernize and expand Germany's military assets in response to the increasing geopolitical tensions, especially following Russia's large-scale invasion of Ukraine. The Chancellor Olaf Scholz confirmed that the order for the new jets would be placed before the upcoming general elections in Germany, scheduled for 2025. These aircraft will complement the 38 Eurofighters already ordered in 2020, which are intended to replace Germany's aging fleet of Tornado jets. Currently, the German Air Force operates 138 Eurofighters. The Eurofighter Typhoon, a fourth-generation multi-role combat aircraft, is developed by a consortium consisting of BAE Systems, United Kingdom, Airbus, Germany and Spain, and Leonardo, Italy. Production of this aircraft began in 1994 with its first flight occurring on March 27 of the same year. Active service with the air forces of the participating nations started in 2003, marking the beginning of a new era in European air defense. The aircraft is designed to perform a wide range of missions, including reconnaissance, air-to-air, and air-to-surface combat. It stands out for its ability to fly at supersonic speeds, reaching up to Mach 2.35, thanks to its two Eurojet EJ200 engines that each produce a thrust of 60,000 N in dry mode and can reach more than 90,000 N with afterburner. The Eurofighter can operate from relatively short airbases, thanks to advanced electric flight control technology that enhances its exceptional maneuverability. In terms of performance, the Eurofighter is equipped with an advanced Captori AESA radar that allows for superior target detection and tracking at long distances. The aircraft can also launch precise attacks with a variety of munitions, including air-to-air and air-to-surface missiles. Additionally, thanks to the Super Cruise capability, the Eurofighter can accelerate to supersonic speeds without using afterburner, thus reducing noise pollution around airbases. With an empty weight of 11 tons and a maximum takeoff weight of 23.5 tons, the Eurofighter has a length of 15.96 meters, a height of 5.28 meters, and a wingspan of 10.95 meters. The Eurofighter Typhoon continues to evolve with regular updates to its armament systems, sensors, and electronic suite to remain competitive in the global combat aircraft market, thus meeting the demands of modern combat scenarios and reinforcing its role as one of the main combat aircraft serving several nations around the world.